drone is that? Drone. Who's drone?
I'm not sure. There's John filming the moon. He'd be filming the moon because it's coming up now.
So you're just doing this for content?
Yeah. It's not monetized or anything. Try to catch the green flash at the top, but there's a bit of stuff in the air.
Do you reckon the Earth is flat or not?
Oh dude, the Earth is a flat toroidal field. The Earth is flat 100%, brother.
What's a toroidal field?
A magnet, bro. A donut, a magnet. That's why grazing animals, most grazing animals, 99% of the time, the horses, bison, whatever cows, they eat in a north-south direction with the magnetism. Everything is magnetic, everything.
Did you study this in school?
Oh, no, just basically YouTube and stuff. But hey, I did go to school and I was in advanced mathematics. I can do a bit of calculus and I can do trigonometry. And them saying that the Earth's 24,000 miles or something round, that means every mile, 6 inches, it drops because of the curvature of the circle, the 360 degrees. So every 6 inches squared. It's not 6 inches and 6 inches, it multiplies, it's squared, put the square root of itself at the start. So from here to where that moon appears to be rising over the edge of Sydney, that's like 22 miles away. That's really 300 feet below us, that should be. Does that look 300 feet below you, or does that look dead level? Oh, well, you got to remember we're 200 feet above sea level nearly, but that looks dead level to me. I've never seen any curvature, mate. So people, engineers that do railways, that do bridges, that do canals, that go for 50 miles, 100 miles. The Suez Canal, it doesn't rise or fall one bit. The Euphrates River falls 3 feet.
Is that the river?
3 feet, yeah, the Euphrates, yeah, near the Tigris. It goes 3 feet, brother. 3 feet distance from height, from the start to the finish, and that's for, it's 1,000 miles or something. People, can believe what they want to believe or whatever, but it's just a big scam. The Earth being round. They started off with, say, Polaris, and then like. Brother, yeah, they had basically, yeah. They started at 550 years ago, late 1400s. They started it.
The world is round?
Well, they just worked on it, made up a lot of sums that contain lots of 666s and lots of, you wouldn't believe the mathematics. You wouldn't believe it. The Earth spinning at 1,000 miles per hour whilst travelling around the sun at 66,600 miles an hour, 3,000 miles an hour, while the sun's travelling 500,000 miles an hour through the galaxy, while the galaxy's revolving at millions of miles an hour through the universe. Yet a lake, water stays level. How does water stay level and not move? If we're spinning, they say gravity. Oh, gravity. Water doesn't bend, brother. When I was 14, you know what I worked as? 15, I worked as a brickies labourer. I remember one big job, a big roller skating rink thing, big brick building we done. Kirrawee, near Cronulla, near where the moon's riding. You know what, bro? I'm telling you. You know how they used to keep it level from one end to the other, over 100 metres? A water level. Water in a hose, brother. Water, because water always retains its level. You can't make water, it doesn't matter what cup, the way you hold the bowl, anything. Water retains its level, okay? Now the Earth is 70% water, and all water is dead flat. With this camera, I can go to the beach with you, bro. I can find a ship that you cannot see with your eye, but we can find it with the camera, and we can find the horizon is even past that ship. How? When it's 6 inches per mile squared. On their mathematics, on their ball Earth mathematics, that is, brother. That isn't on flat earthers making that up. That's on their maths. Their maths says that's it should curve by 6 inches squared per mile, but it just doesn't. And so basically, when you put your sense to it and stuff, plus there's heaps of clues everywhere, bro. There's so many clues in Asia.
Like photos with the Earth.
There isn't any photos except for photos by NASA they're all CGI. You know when they show you inside the space station, you know the space station is unmanned. No, in the space station they use virtual reality. They wear contact lenses. They've got bloopers of them passing stuff to each other, and then they don't get nothing, and they put it up on a bench, and there's nothing there. It's a lie, bro. It's a lie. Anyway.